Egg Foo Young or Foo Yong Dan is an authentic Cantonese egg cuisine. Since it looks like a Western-style omelet, those who are unfamiliar with it will mistakenly cook it away, making an omelet. Now this video will highlight all the important aspects of making Egg Foo Young and provide a classic recipe on how to prepare it at home. What is the difference between Egg Foo Young and the Western style omelets? I'll mention several differences in this video, and once you have completed watching this video, you will have a clear understanding how to prepare the classic Egg Foo Young. So let's get started. Number 1. Egg Foo Young has a different set of ingredients in the whisk eggs. The most apparent difference between Egg Foo Young and the Western style omelette is the ingredient used apart from the egg itself. Take a look at the following ingredients and you will understand why it tastes so different from the omelets. Barbecue pork or char siu, bean sprouts, bamboo shoots, shiitake mushroom, and scallion. And for the seasonings are light soy sauce and sesame oil. Number 2. Use only vegetable oil to fry Egg Foo Young. The Chinese use vegetable oil such as peanut oil, corn oil, or palm oil to cook Egg Foo Young. Butter and olive oil are rarely used. In my opinion, the choice of oil may not be as crucial as the ingredients, as this is due to the culinary cultural differences between the West and the Chinese. Number 3. Pan fry the surface until golden brown. Omelette is always cooked until the eggs are just set or slightly brown on the surface. On the contrary, the surface of the Egg Foo Young is pan fried until golden brown, which is considered overcooked by the standard of any other omelettes. The golden brown egg pancakes are aromatic, and the inner part of the egg pancake is still soft and tender. Number 4. Use more oil than the standard pan frying for Egg Foo Young. There is much more oil needed to make Egg Foo Young than an omelette. Now the reason? The eggs should be partially deep fried in the oil and will make the egg puff up and makes the texture very light. The puff-up state is one of the most significant differences between Egg Foo Young and omelette. Purists of omelette may think this is a disastrous as you overcook it, and the healthy cooking proponent will frown and disapprove. However, we are looking for an authentic recipe, and we all know that any deep frying food like fish and chips and fried chicken will absorb even more oil than this Egg Foo Young. Number 5. You need to pre-cook some ingredients. There are a few methods to prepare the egg mixture. Mix all the ingredients with the egg liquid and pour the required amount into the wok. Now this method works best if all the chosen ingredients are vegetable and pre-cooked items such as barbecue pork. If you use raw ingredients like raw meat and shrimps, stir fry it before adding to the whisk eggs. This technique is useful since the meat and the shrimps require much longer time to cook. Number 6. Do not pan fry the Egg Foo Young like an ordinary omelette. Fill up the wok with the amount of oil that is more than required. Heat up the oil. Pour the excess oil back into the storage container. You leave a glossy layer of hot oil on the wok, like painting a coat of shellac on your furniture, which prevents the egg from sticking on it. Pour the egg liquid into the wok with hot oil. Add a generous ladle of oil to the side of the wok. The edge of the pancake will start to bubble and immediately puff up to form a beautiful halo of crispy tendrils. Keep your spatula off from your pancake. Let the eggs mixture cook undisturbed over medium to low heat until the bottom side turn golden brown. The making of Egg Foo Young is unquestionably different from omelets. Flip over and do the same for the other side. Place it on a chopping board. Remove the excess oil with a kitchen towel before serving. Lastly, serve the Egg Foo Young with or without the brown gravy. We do not serve Egg Foo Young with the brown gravy in China or in Southeast Asia. Some people prefer to drizzle some light soy sauce on it before serving, and that's it. The American Chinese version comes with brown gravy. The gravy is made with soy sauce, chicken stock, and thickened with cornstarch. I prefer the original version since it's tasty enough without the need of the gravy. Drizzle some brown gravy on the egg before serving if you are inclined to the American palate. I've just shown you the differences between Egg Foo Young and the Western style omelets. You can download the recipe at my blog tasteasianfood.com/Egg Foo Young. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You will find many other similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Thanks for watching and bye for now.